coming up today, guys, we've got a really unusual one for the first patient. It's actually Katie's patient. This one's got blue skin in the ear canal, which we're struggling to work out why. And there's 2 from you then.
2 from me, yeah.
2 from you afterwards. So my name's Reece. I'm one of the audiologists that works here at Audiology Associates.
Yeah. my name is Taylor and I also work here in Audiology Associates.
So Katie put this one in the folder and you can see straight away we've got this blue layer. Now, there are certain conditions, ear conditions, which can cause blue skin. Things like reduced blood supply. There's benign cysts that can cause this as well. It's a bit of more of an unusual one. But now for me, I've watched this video about 4 times trying to work out what's going on here. And I did say to Katie, did they put anything in their ear? No, because to me it looks like colour transfer. Because it's only affecting the dead layer of skin on the surface. Now, if this was a blood supply issue, we'd see this pink skin underneath would look...
It's completely different.
It would look blue like the skin we're taking off. But to me, this looks like a colour transfer from something.
Like a pen or something.
Well, yeah, that's a good shout. Because it could be something like that. What I thought is, you can get those like shampoos...
the dye in it.
Like a purple shampoo. Or even I thought like a blue rinse. It's common here in the UK. Not about the US, but you get, but there was nothing like that going on. But I did wonder whether you can get these shampoos with a colour to it for like blonde hairs and stuff.
Yeah. Strange, isn't it?
Odd one. It really baffled me, this one. I've been racking my brains for days trying to work out what this could be.
We're just falling back now. Yeah. What have you done? What have you done?
I need you back up here to explain yourself to me and Taylor. But yeah, really, really odd one. And I can't speak. I did have somebody the other day to put cotton kitchen roll.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, could it be a transfer from the colour in that kitchen roll? I forget what the US people called it the other day, but it's like a big roll of like tissue paper you have in your kitchen. Or it's around they mop stuff up with. I don't know what they call it in the US. There's a name for it. I can't think what it was now. But I did wonder because they usually have patterns on them whether that would transferred over.
Yeah.
But odd one because it is just on that skin.
It's really strange. Yeah, I can't think of what that could be.
It's weird, isn't it? It's a really, really odd thing.
Like not something I've ever come across anyway.
No, I mean working with kids. Yes, I used to see weird and wonderful colours in there all the time. The worst was Play-Doh. That was one of the worst ones to come in. But she's doing a cracking job here of peeling this off the canal wall there. That last little bit nice and just tidying up a little bit of an edge. But, looking healthy beyond. Nothing on this side, no blue. So it's just on the one ear. I do wonder whether you say pen, because people stick all sorts of weird and wonderful things in the ears, don't they? Whether it could have been a pen, maybe?
Like clips, pen tops, actual pens, pencils, pretty much everything coming. Give
us some explanations what you think it might be, guys. Pop it into the comment section below, because we're baffled on that one. That is a completely new one on me. But Katie's doing really well here. You can see she's got this kind of thick, not always easy, these thicker layers of skin that come away, and it's closed in on the canal, basically.
Oh, that's nice.
That's good. Exactly the type of peel you want to see, though, isn't it?
Not leaving those little tiny bits on the ear canals there.
Like, I know you can... sorry, I'm harking back this blue. I know you can sometimes get... Candida infections are normally white. But that's the only other thing. Think, obviously, are we looking at possible, fungal infection? It's a strange old one. Oh, no, this is what it normally does, isn't it? Where it gets more difficult as you're trying to peel it down.
And it just gets drier and drier and drier the further down you go. It's not going anywhere.
It's when you start peeling, you've cleared everything else. And you've got that one last bit, you start peeling that down, it goes all the way down the canal.
Breaks your soul.
Yeah, look at that coming away. These little tiny bits. Because the skin looks a little bit mottled, doesn't it, on that side there? So that's Katie's done, by the way. I know Katie's, she's doing really good with the ruler shots now. These are like older videos that we've picked up, but I did spot her doing one yesterday. Yeah. How far away was she? Oh, she was close. She was good. Yeah, she was good. She was landscape. Oh, fair play. She was really good. So this is my patient. There's 2 from myself now. Looks like a relatively easy one. Just a bit of soft wax near the entrance here. Quite a narrow ear canal as well. Yeah. I think you put that in the title. This was. Oh, that's what it was. Is it? There we are. So with these ones, we tend to have to try and hold the ear open with either the camera or the suction tube, or both. But luckily the patient has managed to get oil
over this sort of like skin and wax that we're taking away here. So it has helped quite massively, actually. It does really make a big difference when you use oil. Look how narrow that is, yeah.
That is narrow.
You can see there I'm trying to sort of push aside with the suction tube to get to that little piece of wax. So yeah, there was a little bit of a gap there. Patient has been getting some sort of intermittent hearing issues with this, so it's obviously been moving around while, you know, inside the ear. But I did say I wondered whether, you know, when the patient is sort of sleeping, when they're lying on this ear, with it being so narrow, it's just going to close that ear canal up straight away. So I did mention as well to the patient that, you know, that could be a possibility as well, just how narrow this ear canal is. There we are. We're managing to just about get a grip on this deeper section.
It's hard, isn't it, to get these bits, because you've got to kind of almost hold, like you said.
There we are, a bit of a wiggle.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice. Look at that. Lovely little shot at the end. You see that in Taylor Green?
I can't promise I'll do it for the whole way through.
You're getting better.
I'm slowly getting there. And there we are.
Poor old Kate, going the other day and say, can you do me a favour? So when you're bringing them out, just like keep it nice and central on the shot. Yeah, no problem. For 10 minutes, I was like, oh yeah, by the way, can you, with the ruler shots, can you just? She was like, yeah, I'll see what. I was like, sorry.
Gosh. It's like never ending this. I didn't think it was that much in there.
No,
but,
it does seem like it's the kind of gift that keeps giving, isn't it? This one.
Hidden on the corner. There we are.
Oh, God, there's quite
a deep recess there as well. Yeah, you can only just about see half the eardrum. So trying to get as close as I can to get a good look. But yeah, can't see any issues there. And there we are. It looked like a lot, but it actually wasn't a massive amount. 2.5 centimeters on that one.
Inch. There you go, I think. Anyway, that's how I just did that from memory. Just replayed it back in my head.
This is another one from myself. Now, we've got I can't remember if this is 1 or 2 years. I can't remember. We did see the heading. What's the word? The
title.
The title. Oh gosh, my mind has gone blank. I think I put referred on this one, didn't I? Yeah, I know. Could you imagine if I was by myself and like 10 minutes trying to think of the word?
Right, Taylor Green's emotional support audiologist.
It's okay, Tay. It's okay. It's okay.
He's okay. He's all right.
So yeah, I think I put referred on this one. Now, I don't know whether that would be from where we have previously. I think that's what...
Someone referred to us. Someone referred the patient to us.
Yeah, it could be either that or we have previously had, because it does ring a bell, this. We have previously had to send... I don't know if it's this patient or another patient, I do apologise. We had to send them to ENT to get the wax removed because we just couldn't do it. I don't know if it's this one or...
No,
and I don't think it is a different one. Oh, that's coming up, is it?
That was huge. I edited that one down to about 20 minutes. It must have been,
so this one must have been referred to us then,
yeah. To us. I know. I follow you now. I know the one you mean. No, I've only edited that yesterday.
Ah, there we are. So it's coming up. It's coming up.
It's coming soon. Probably. I don't know whether to hang on to it till Christmas.
Fair enough. Yeah. We got to wait for that one.
Yeah. Not long. Only another 9 months. It's a good one as well. It took ages. Yeah, it was awesome, didn't it,
You'd be sat there with a couple of cups of tea, I think.
For that one,
finish one,
yeah.
Make another one.
I'm waiting for some good... There's another one of yours that's coming up I've saved for Christmas. It was a mastoid clearance.
Oh,
that was I haven't edited that yet. I opened it up, I was like, no.
Is it with
not today.
With a narrow ear canal.
Oh. Yeah, that was a beastie, wasn't it? That was 2 visits as well, wasn't it?
That was 2 visits, that was.
Oh, that's a beast coming up, that one is, yeah.
Fair.
I think he's got PTSD.
I just felt my back pain as I mentioned that. There we are, coming away quite nicely. A bit of a bendy one again, this one. We can't really put any pressure on this part of the ear canal because that's kind of where the bony portion is going to start. So I didn't want to put any pressure there, but everything's looking absolutely fine there. But yeah, no ruler shot, sorry. I decided after that one I was going to post it up, but so that's why I didn't put a ruler shot in.
You can see me though. yes, thank you very much for watching our videos today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it as much as me and Taylor did voicing over. We did get a lot of feedback that said me and Taylor tend to talk over Katie's a lot and talk about random stuff. So we're going to... For us. Thank you very much for pointing that out, guys. We didn't realize we were doing that as much as we did. So we're gonna make sure we do stay focused.
We'll try.
We'll try as much as we can anyway. Well, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me if you thoroughly enjoy the videos. You can also consider becoming members of the channel. Members, you've got a video coming out tomorrow. Subscribers, we shall see you again on, I don't know what day this is going out today, Friday. Take it easy. Bye, everyone. Oh, as always, take care of your ears. No, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
Take care of one another. Bye-bye.